Welcome to part 2 of me fumbling and somehow succeeding in making my perfume shelf. Now here is where my project went from free to $75. So I did 2 coats of stain and let this sit for about 24 hours. Here's what the other side looks like. I thought that gluing the dado joints would maybe hold the shelves a little better. I don't know. I weighed that down for a few hours to hopefully let it set. Then I added a couple finishing nails in the back for extra support. The only black nails I could find were 1-inch framing nails, and they were definitely too long. So nailing the sides together was a struggle to not break or split the plywood. And somehow I succeeded. I hope that you enjoyed watching me fumble through this.